May I request Deepa Priya ma'am to join us with a welcome song for this lovely occasion.
ಗಣಪತಿ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ.
Noise, please. Congratulations.
And it has been a great adventure along with a great milestone for them to reach this today's grand finale, which is happening for our students of Bengaluru. And there were plenty of students who participated, but however, the finalists are already ready to take their awards and recognition today at this place. And I wish Mr. Madhu Satyanarayana the very best and take this forward in a better way, because this gives a lot of academic excellence for the students, along with it gives brain power. So I wish them all the best. Thank you.
We tied up with Spelby. The reason behind is this: we are from aero modeling stuff, and we at in aero modeling we teach kids how to do air modeling models. So we felt a very interesting fact about Spelby, and we thought of joining hands with Spelby. So we joined the hand, and we are the presenting partners for Spelby. And talking about NRN Aerospace, like we target age group of 10, and about 10 we can target any kind of age limit. There is no age limit after 10. So we teach them like model of aircraft in a fun and science way. There are a lot of activities involved for kids nowadays. Kids are like becoming more gadget addictions. So we thought that like we came for this concept like to divert that gadget attention, and we are planning to do all kind of tools activities in a fun way. So it's really after coming to know about Spelby competition, we joined their hands once again, and we are doing it.
We started off on September 5th on Teachers' Day with this initiative called the Spelby League, which is a premier season. You've been all used to IPL leagues and CCL leagues. Now this is something the children of tomorrow are doing, that the future of our country is participating in this league called as Spelby League. Over 10,000 children participated, 25 plus schools participated across Karnataka. We boiled that down to 1,000 students on 16th of December at Kittur Rani Chennamma. Did a mega carnival out there and boiled it down to 32. And today we are standing on the grand finale, where these 32 spell masters, or spellsters is what we like to call them, and getting them down to 4 with the biggest of words. Because if you look at Spelby in any other country, it's always been the Indian kids who have been winning it. Now here we are taking the Indian version of Spelby League to the global world, with the winners starting in our home ground, which is Bangalore. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm requesting more and more schools to come and join hands with us. Get their children to be the spell masters, whiz kids, and we have the platform. We have the Beehive, which is the talent pool for children, where we will be encouraging any talent that your child will have, and we ensure that we take the talent forward and provide them the encouragement needed. Right? And we are going pan-India. The next stop for us is Mumbai, Singapore, and Dubai, and that's where we are going. Thank you so much.
I congratulate Spelby Week to conduct this particular program. Since we have seen this entire thing across the world, where the Indian kids are the ones who have started, who are always excelled in spelling. Now this initiative to come to India is a fantastic thing, because we'll get more and more kids involved into this particular thing. And as I heard from the producer of this program, Mr. Madhu, that he is going to have a 360-degree development of a child, And this is going to be an experiential learning. I congratulate him because we from the BBMP Roshni also try the same thing. That is 360-degree learning of a child and experiential learning. That's the latest in the 21st century. And I think this initiative will really work. And this will go to the next level basically. And I'm willing to collaborate with him on the BBMP schools and across India. We've got about say 55,000 schools across the country. And I think this is amazing, amazing kind of a platform. We should give it to our kids and should take it forward at every level. Thank you.